Fire gutted a house in Newlands District, Clarendon. But as you'll hear in this report from Dwayne Anderson, residents are blaming the loss on mosquitoes. Dwayne Anderson explains.
A Clarendon family is homeless after fire destroyed their house in Newlands District. The fire was started by a homemade mosquito repellent made from small pieces of sticks, coal and other flammable material. They are placed in old paint pans and lit and put in the house. The smoke created is said to be very potent against mosquitoes.
Last time we do the same procedure, but I didn't remember to close the window, because chances are if we close the window, this wouldn't happen. So you don't just get smoke, but with the window and the hard breeze, it catch a curtain, and from there, pay fire.
The family said all their possessions were destroyed in the blaze.
Try to draw the mattress where fire catch from, and was unsuccessful. So we have to run out of time because the fire getting more. It is a board house, you know. It was a gift from the Food for the Poor. So you know those board have the aisle in it. So once it catch, the fire truck would have to be here for really out that fire. You look up boards where we have to lick that fire with the force with it to light it, if we out it.
But there is a fear among other residents that similar fires could result from the homemade mosquito repellent, since it is widely used in the area.
Terrible mosquito. You can't even sit down for a minute. You understand? And when they come down at evening time, you have to light smoke, you have to burn one whole heap of dry wood and so on. Not even destroyer can run there. It don't make sense to buy no destroyer at all, no use. That's the reason why we use smoke pot.
Residents admit the method is dangerous, but feel they have no option. They are therefore asking the authorities to help.
And then the rain fall what they are worse. And we not get no help no fogging or nothing, and if people do come, how fast it pass through, no, it must, as it gone, there be a mosquito against you.
Dwayne Anderson, TVJ News.